Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're all fine. So today we are going to study a Python-based project named as birthday reminder notification. As we all know, our humans have the tendency to forget the birthdays. Now let's make a birthday reminder notification with the help of the Python programming language. So what do we need for this project? First of all, we need a Plyer module. Now this Plyer module helps in making desktop notifications. Secondly, I need the time module. Now, the time module consists of various functions, but specifically we need one function, that is this one. Now, this function is used to convert the date time objects into string. Now, let's see the coding part. Now, first of all, I'm going to import time, then import Plyer, now first of all I'm going to make a birthday file, which is a text file. Now, here I have to store the month and the day of the birthday. For example, my friend has a birthday on 19th December. So, December is the 12th month. So, 12th, 19th, and her name is Megha Sehdev. Okay. Now, if I have a friend whose birthday is on 20th December, 12, 20, Satyam Shrivastava. Okay. Let's so now let's save this file in a D folder named as file birthday. Okay. Now here I'm going to pass the link of this file. Let's take a variable birthday file. It is stored in the D folder named as file birth dot text. Let's see once again, that is file birth text. Now I'm going to make a function check to birthdays okay. So our file name, first of all I'm going to open this file, open which the birthday file. We want to read it, so I'm going to write here read in a read mode. Now today equal to, let's use the time module dot, we are using the function strf time. Now the format what we want. First of all, month, then day. Okay. Now next, the birthday is stored line by line. So line 1 for line in file name, because all the data is stored in a file name variable. Now we are going to split the line. Okay. Now line equal to line dot split. With space. Now if today equal to line 0, because we have stored the month and the day. If today is equal to line 0, 0 is the index. Okay, then there is a notification which will pop up, dot notify the title equal to birthday today, comma, the message whose birthday. We are going to write the name, line 1, plus if we have written the surname, it will also display. Okay. Then we need a timeout of at least 50 seconds. Write the 50. Now let's call this function. Now let's run our program.